Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to add bank account to Venmo. First thing that you should do after you open Venmo is to simply click on your profile icon on the bottom right side right here. And now click on the gear icon on the top right side. Then go to payment methods. Then click on add a bank or card. After that, click on bank or card or whatever you want. Then you can choose between instant verification or manual verification. I will go for instant verification. After that, click on continue. Then click on continue again. It will use Plaid in order to connect your account. Now you will have to choose your bank. You can simply search for it by clicking on the search icon right here and type the name of your bank. After choosing the name of your bank, enter your username and password, then click on submit. And now verify your identity by using a text message, phone, or an email sent to you, then click on continue. After that, verify by using your phone number or whatever method that you have chosen. Then here it will show you your account. Choose your account, then click on continue. Then it will show here this successful message. Click on continue. And after that, here you will find your bank on the top. You can even add a card by clicking on add a bank or card. Then here you should choose card from this section. And after that, enter your card number, expiration date, security code, ZIP code, and click on add, and you're all done. And this is how you can actually add bank account to Venmo. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.